Here's a 2015 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site, and it comes with all the amenities you need. External memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather seats, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, first and second row sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Ford. We're conveniently located between 41st Street and 55th Street Northwest on Highway 52 in Rochester, Minnesota.